How to connect speakers to an Alienware monitor. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect speakers to an Alienware monitor. So let's get started. Connecting external speakers to your Alienware monitor is actually quite simple, but there are a few details you need to know before you get started. The connection method depends on the specific model of your monitor. On some models, the ports you'll need are located at the back, while on others, you might find them underneath the screen. That's why it's always a good idea to quickly check your user manual to confirm where the audio port is on your particular model. In most cases, though, the port you'll be using is easy to identify. It's called the line out port, and this is where you connect your speakers. On Alienware monitors, it usually looks like a small round jack input, and you'll typically see it marked with an icon. One thing to keep in mind is that this port is primarily for speakers. On some monitors, it doesn't fully support headphones, so if you're planning to use a headset, double check the manual or the Dell support page to see if your model allows that. So here's what you need to do. Take the audio cable from your speakers, plug one end into the line out port on your monitor, connect to the other end directly into your speaker input. If your monitor doesn't have that clearly labeled line out port on the side or bottom, then look at the back panel. You might see several small circular ports with icons next to them, like a microphone, line in, or line out. The one you want is the line out port, which is usually marked in green. Again, just plug your speaker cable into green port, then connect the other side to your speakers. Finally, don't forget about the audio settings on your PC. Once you have connected everything, go into your sound settings and make sure that your monitor's audio output is selected. This ensures that the sound is routed through the speakers you just connected. And that's really all there is to connecting speakers to your Alienware monitor is quick and straightforward once you know which port to use. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.